It's July 16th. You're here with Chico selling call options. And what we got today? Well, today the stock market is a little bit on the flash side, going sideways. What's interesting though is two things. One, Roblox. Roblox has popped 6%. Wow, that's incredible, you know. I think it's because Citigroup has hiked their price target perhaps. Even then, that's quite the jump for it if it's based only on that. So that was kind of interesting. I looked at the premiums on the call option right now, and it's not really that much of a reward for the risk that you're taking for it. So we'll skip on that. Now the other thing is what's interesting is ASML, which makes chip making equipment, especially the very high end advanced stuff. They reported earnings yesterday or earlier to this morning in their time zone, and yeah, they're down 9% here. So basically what happened is they were saying that their 2026 growth outlook, they're walking away from it, or they're not sticking to it anymore, and they're blaming here, as you can see in this article, blaming trade disputes, global tension, here you go. We continue to see increasingly uncertainty driven by macroeconomic and geopolitical developments. So yeah, I'm a little bit surprised about that. That is not very strong for the chip making sector, especially for all the companies that make AI chips and chips that you require to support AI. Lately, we saw a lot of news for the data centers that they're firing all pistons and building data centers like there's no tomorrow. I mean, Oracle is one of them, and not just the only one. So this is really big news for me personally, and something to consider when thinking about buying chip stocks. Maybe a little bit of a cautious sign here, because with this equipment, especially when there's export controls to China and stuff like that, you would think everybody's racing to get as much chip equipment and be self-independent of manufacturing chips, given how the value of chips, particularly AI chips, have surged. All right, so where are we? With our two plays, we got AMD. We sold 2 contracts yesterday for 77 cents. Now it's worth less than 30 cents. So we're in the profit zone for almost a hundo there. PLTR, strike price 155. It hasn't really gone anywhere, and the contract that we sold. We sold one contract. We sold at 132, and now it's 72 cents. I think I'm gonna close out the AMD one and go with 2 more PLTR contracts at 132, because we only got 30 cents left. I feel like we can definitely make more money with PLTR. Obviously, there's more risk with it because it's higher implied volatility for PLTR, and it could be a hot stock sometime. But yeah, it is Wednesday. Yeah, that's right, Wednesday, and we got 2 more days of trading, including today. So that's not including today. So let's press for PLTR. It's at 150 now, so 5 points above it is 155. Okay, I'll do that right after we close the call, so I won't burn time on this video. But that's the latest update. All right, you guys all have a good day. Don't forget to like if you like the video. Catch you next time. All right.